channel, and if you're new, hi, I'm Nicole. Welcome. I hope you stick around and enjoy some more of my videos. Today's video is a grocery haul. We went to Makro only. Went to Makro. We got all the groceries. It's a pretty small haul, but it was 5.2 total, which just goes to show how crazy the prices are going with everything going on in the world. But it's a pretty small haul because we've seen what 5.2 can give us, so this is pretty relatively smaller than normal. But I'm going to show you everything that we got quickly because I am losing light. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so I'm going to start down here. This box over here has 4 5-liter bottles of water, just plain still water. So we got 4 of those. 1 4 kg packet of Omo auto washing powder. And then up here we have 2 packets of 24 toilet paper rolls over here. And then here we have a 6-pack of milk. We have 1 extremely dry skin rescue Vaseline lotion, and then we have a Cocoa Glow Vaseline lotion. We have 2 of these lactose-free no-lac milks, and then in the front here we have a packet of smoked chicken Viennas. This stack here is just chips, so we have these crispy oven chips with skin on. This is a Texan barbecue flavor. And then under that we have some spicy wedges, all by McCain. Over here my mom got this big piece of liver. This is lamb liver. So yeah, there's that. I don't eat liver, so not really. Anyway, we got a big packet of baking powder, no. We got a big packet of flour, because I am clearly doing a lot of baking at the moment with that machine over there. I'm just in the mood clearly. Over here we have a packet of hake fillets. These are raw and they have the skin on, and they're like individual pieces like that. We have a big packet of beef. This is a beef boyki. And then over here in the front, we have 2 packets of the McCain Country Crop. Over here, I have 2 packets of puff pastry, which I'm so excited about. I'm so excited about this because I've seen a lot of recipes with puff pastry, and I definitely want to make them. So I'm excited to try out some new recipes. Over here, we have a tub of chopped garlic. And then we have 2 of these classic creams. This is liquid cream by Meadowland. And then back there, oh my gosh, let me show you. That is Oros. Let me pull it up. This is the mango flavored Oros, which is my favorite flavor of the bunch. I like to drink it with sparkling water. It tastes amazing. Like, I'm actually obsessed. So I prefer this one, but a lot more people prefer the orange one, so we have that as well. The orange one is a 5-liter. And then over here we have some tomato sauce by Wellington's. We have a can of tomato puree. And then we have a can of evaporated milk. Over here we have some salted butter. We have 2 of them. And then in the front here we have some smoked Russians by Escort. And then we have 2 trays of lamb. These are lamb knuckles, same as those. I have 2 of them. And then we have chicken gizzards and chicken necks. 1 box of cling wrap. This is the big one. 2 baking margarines, because like I said, I'm into it. We have 1 jar of mango acha over here. And then we have 2 packets of the 6-gun grill seasoning. Back here we have some aromat. This is just the original refill box. And then behind it we have 2 packets of chopped butternut ready to cook. Next we have some Knorr stock cubes. These are the chili beef ones. We have barbecue spice, 2 boxes of mixed herbs because I really enjoy that. We have a can of chakalaka with sweet corn. This is a favorite. Then we have some condensed milk because I also have a recipe for this and we don't really buy it, so I picked that up. Some garlic flakes here, and then moving back here in the front we have a packet of bananas. We have some mozzarella cheese, super exciting. We have 2 packets of green beans, and then we have some soups. So we have 4 cream of chickens, and then we have 2 roast chicken flavor and 2 instant brown onion flavor. Back there we have some brown sugar, and then we have a packet of pocket tissues, and then underneath that is the real exciting stuff. We have a box of Easter eggs. These are my favorite Easter eggs. My younger sister doesn't like Easter eggs. Weird, I know, but I love these. Even the Cadbury ones, they taste really good. They don't taste different, they taste exactly the same, but something about bacon. Okay, in the front here we have 1 English cucumber, and then here we have a stack of cans. We have some more chakalaka with sweet corn and 2 baked beans in tomato sauce. We have some medium curry powder. This is Raja, and then we have Hellmann's original mayonnaise. We have a box of Italian herb seasoning. And then back here we have 60 extra large eggs. We got the big pack. Apparently the price of eggs is supposed to be rising. We'll see. We'll see if that happens. Over here we have a box of Wheat Bix. I've been craving this so much recently. So we picked up a box. We used to like pick it up all the time. Then we stopped because no one was eating them. And then I picked up a box today. Okay, so over here we have the Spur barbecue sauce. I can't find the all gold barbecue sauce, which is the one we used to buy like every groceries. I can't find it anywhere, so this is the one we're using for now. I picked up this Wellington's sweet jalapeno sauce. I'm praying extremely hard that this actually tastes decent. If you've had this, just let me know in the comment section if you liked it, because I'm really nervous. I'm not a fan of the sweet chili, but it does taste good sometimes. I'm not a fan, but I'll have it sometimes. I hope this tastes good. Oh my gosh, I'm so nervous. We got 3 of these Basso olive oils, 3 bottles. We have 3 packets of noodles, 1 crispy chicken, and 2 Durban curry packets. In the front here we have some Colgate. We have the gel one and the maximum cavity protection one. Here we have 2 bags of garbage packets, 2 Dove roll-ons. We have 4 bars of Johnson's soap. 3 of them are with raspberry extract, and then the other one is with papaya extract. And then over here we have some maxi pads. We have 3 boxes of facial tissues, and then over here we have 2 Handy Andy bottles. One is lemon scented and this one is potpourri. In the front here we have 2 of these Scents Air Fresheners. This is a cotton flavor. No, this is a cotton scent. And then this one is wild apple and spice. This one smells like a fireball. If you ever had a Jawbreaker fireball, this is what it smells like. Over here we have 4 bottles of Domestos, 3 white ones and 1 blue one. And then in the front here, 2 packets of the Stay Soft, the baby scented ones. We have a packet of Kitchen Scores, some multi-surface cleaner by Mr. Men in the potpourri scent, and lastly we have 2 bottles of dishwashing liquid. So yeah, this is the entire haul. Like I said, it's pretty small, but we got everything that we need. There's only a couple things that we need that we haven't gotten, like sauces and things like that, condiments basically, some broccoli, but other than that, this is the main haul. Okay guys, so that is the end of this haul. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. You can check me out on my Instagram and my Facebook. If you're on Facebook a lot, you can just like my page. All my videos get sent to my page, so you should see them in your feed. Yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!